puppies playing this morning. They've been interested in food, in their mama's food, so gave them some of their own. I've been giving them a little bit of their own. So Pepper's puppies, her girls here, are 4 weeks. And Francine's boy, climbing on the gate, he'll be 4 weeks on Tuesday. I just wanted to try to capture some action here. It's early morning and they just got finished eating a few little pieces of kibble, kind of just experimenting with them. Well, I guess it didn't last very long, or I missed most of the playing, so this is a short video. We'll try again next time when they're more active. Mamas will go in and scoop up all their extra food.